SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove the subject field from text messages on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your text messages currently have a subject field above the message field, and you would like to remove it because you aren't using it, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and selecting the Messages option. You can then scroll down again, and you just need to find this Show Subject Field option and tap the button to the right of it to turn it off. Now when you go back to the Messages app, you'll see that that subject field is gone, meaning that it will no longer be visible when you're sending or responding to text messages.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.